Good morning from Japan. So I'm just outside our Airbnb waiting for Sean because he threw out his phone upstairs. But today we have a lot to explore. We're gonna go visit Shibuya, you know, where that big crosswalk is, where all the masses of people cross and walk and crosswalk. I'm gonna see if I can grab some coffee from this vending machine. Ooh, look at all these selections. All right, I'm gonna go with this Van Houten Cocoa. Grab my yen. Ugh. Oh, it's hot. What the? That's cool. Ooh, that's nice. That's some nice hot cocoa. Good way to start off the morning. Now Sean is back.
I got this stuff in my belt.
All right, now we're gonna go look for a place to eat.
Yep.
We're at a place called Ichiran Ramen. It's a fairly well-known chain here, at least in Tokyo.
I think it's in the US too.
In the US too. There's this YouTuber named Mikey Chen with his channel called Strictly Dumpling. I think he's been to this place, or at least one of the chains here, and said it was some really good ramen for a decent price, and you get to buy it with a vending machine ticket or something. So let's go. All right, let's customize. You go first.
Let's see.
See all these options.
Yeah, Ichiran. Is that like a full bowl? And it's
I
already
guess so.
cooked for
It's
you?
set, and then you can do your own from base, and then you can add your toppings on top of that. It's cool. I'm gonna go with ramen and smoked flavored stewed pork, half boiled salted egg, some sliced pork, dried seaweed, and I think that's good for now. They brought us our ramen through this window here, and then they close the thing so we can have privacy. That's really cool. And they bow, yeah. I have my pork here. I'm gonna put in the ramen itself, and the smoked pork that I got in this soft-boiled egg.
Extra pork.
Extra pork?
There's already pork in it actually.
Oh. Okay. Sweet. How does the pork taste?
Like, it's definitely better than what you get in the US. I like, what's that other place? The place in like the supermarkets.
I'm gonna taste this broth here. It's really good. It's very rich. I think you can definitely taste some pork fat in there. Very good. This is the Japanese version of chashu, called chashu. Yeah. That is also really good. The pork is very tender. Every ounce of it has a bunch of flavor in it. So yeah, very good. Ichiran Ramen. And all of this was about, how much did yours cost?
It's probably like 1,000, or it might have gone up to 1,500.
1,500. So about like $12, but you get to customize it and you get a good amount of food. So yeah. It was a really good start to our day. A very good breakfast. Although I have to be honest, I think even after having ramen in Japan, I think I still like pho better.
Oh really?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe that's just me.
Pho is more like salty-ish, I guess. It's more like, ramen has kind of like a kind of
It's
taste.
definitely more rich.
Yeah, more rich.
So there's only so much richness I can taste. Pho, I think it's something, it's like a taste that you can constantly come back to. I think it's because of all the salt, all the MSG, I don't know what it is. but I just feel a little bit more satisfied when I eat pho. But that's, I don't know. Ramen, that place, Ichiran Ramen, is really good. How many out of 10 would you give it?
10.
I would give it a...
Give it like an 8, because it's probably
8.
the best ramen I've had.
Yeah,
but I don't want to go too high.
Does it find me something better?
That's like a chain.
Yeah. All right, so 8 out of 10, Ichiran Ramen. I wish we had one of these in the States. At the famous Shibuya crossing.
It's not very busy right now though.
Yeah, because it's only like 10 o'clock in the morning, but there's a lot of stuff. It's like the Times Square.
Basically, a little less bright.
Yeah, a little less bright, but you can see in the distance there's
not
that
nighttime
happy
either.
Yeah, that's true. These crows are so annoying. Get out of here.
These crows are following us. They know we don't belong here. This is the same thing we have in downtown San Jose. It's just a way better statue. We have a statue of Quasicalo that looks like dog poop.
So where are we now?
I forget the name of it. We're at a shrine, like one of the.
Oh, it said Meiji, I think. Meiji Shrine. All these people. So we got this thing, we're at the shrine, and dango. Okay, well my hand's holding the GoPro, and so Sean's gonna try it. Hot?
It's like all going. Oh, it's pretty good.
It's like a soy sauce mochi or something?
Kind of.
Kind of? Pretty good?
Not exactly the consistency of mochi. Oh. But it's good. Yeah.
No, no. Hey, there's a Gong Cha. Wait,
This is the line.
oh, this is the line for the Gong Cha? What the heck?
Location or something?
Yeah, looks pretty similar.
Yeah.
Same price. So we just had to get Gong Cha because we haven't found a boba place and I've been craving boba. We're gonna compare the Japanese Gong Cha to our normal American one. So wait, you got honey milk tea?
Yeah, I got
honey milk tea, and I got oolong milk tea.
It's good.
It is good. Doesn't taste like anything too special. Gong Cha, It's all right. I don't think it's anything too different than home, so. We are now in the Roppongi Hills. It's like a hotel?
Yeah.
But we're going to the top floor to get a really cool view.
Ears.
Yeah. Yo, sky deck.
And no tripods.
Oh. It's like, wait, I don't know, it's like we're going in line for a ride or something. Whew. Wow, this is crazy. Woo! This is insane. We're so high up. Oh my gosh, I was taking some video and taking some pictures with my camera set right here. I don't even have a neck strap. Oh man, it was so scary. Here's Sean doing the same thing. This view, wow. It's insane. If you're ever in the area, it's about 1,800 yen to get in to the building, and for the sky deck to get up here, it's another 500 yen per person. So you're looking at 2,300 yen for this awesome view that we get to see right here. This kind of reminds me of those videos of the European kids like climb buildings or like go all the way to the edge or something like that.
Gosh,
it's stupid. It's
like that without a strap.
Yeah, no way, no way. What we came for?
Yeah.
Arcade games. Let's go. Yeah, let's go get a game card somewhere. So I accidentally bought too many coins. I bought 1,000.
1,500 tokens.
Oh my gosh. No. Oh. So I screwed up big time. Oh no. So this kind gentleman over here was nice enough to translate for us, and apparently these tokens are meant for these games. Yeah, we have those types of games in the US too. So here we have Daniel, who just helped us kind of understand what these coins are about. Thank you so much for doing that for us. So we're accidentally gambling, I guess.
I guess, well, you guys accidentally got 3 buckets of these with 3,000 yen. The result is that you cannot exchange them back for money, so you have to gamble.
We have to play.
There's nothing else you can do.
All right, well, we will do that.
We learned our lesson.
We learned our $30 lesson.
I know what we're doing before we do it.
Yeah. All right, well, thank you so much, Daniel. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Have fun in your 1-year thing in Japan, and have fun when you get back to Canada. So we forgot to press record, but we took our coins and just gave them to random people.
Yeah, and they were really confused. They didn't know why we were giving those away.
They're like,
I guess
huh?
like, I don't know what you do with them, honestly, though.
Yeah, because it's like how you said, fake gambling.
Fake gambling. You just get more.
Because you don't get money or anything from the machines.
Yeah.
When you win, you just get the same coins.
It's illegal to sell them.
Yeah.
You just get more worthless coins.
Anyway, $30 lesson learned.
Yeah.
So we were back at the Shibuya crossing place. We met this couple who were taking pictures and we were helping them out and stuff. So they actually are joining us for dinner and we're all gonna hang out for a little bit. So it's kind of cool how we got to just meet some people and you know, find out a little bit about them.
Hello.
Hi,
Want to introduce yourselves?
Go first.
I'm Sherry.
I'm Raymond.
Cool, nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too.
Hong Kong and Singapore.
Hong Kong, yeah, Hong Kong and Singapore.
Yeah.
Maybe it's that coming.
I just ordered.
That's yours.
Oh, here we go.
Don't let it go.
Oh, okay, grab it fast before it disappears.
Looks like it stays for a decent amount of time.
All right.
Like a lot of sushi.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Got some sake. I don't know if it's cheap or expensive, but
It's about $4. I think it was like $4.
here we go. All right, Gampai or cheers. Oh wait, I think you filled mine really full. But
It doesn't taste as strong as some American stuff.
no,
It's
sake is supposed to be really smooth.
oh yeah, it's really smooth.
It's kind of similar to soju.
It tastes similar to wine and like alcohol content.
Yeah.